I want you to watch this video closely. A local islander here on Salt Spring Island shot this video when he was out on his boat, and they appear to be like these Navy boats with 50 caliber machine guns attached to some of them. So watch closely, and I'll videotape what he shot on his iPhone.
Is that a gun turret? Naval security. You got the same guns out. How's that? 50 cal? Not bad, huh? Oh, Murphy. The heck out of this. Two more. You guys never seen a fire before. More to do. Cloud.
Let me know what you think of this. These are 50 caliber machine guns mounted on these boats. Naval security team cruising the waters of Ganges Harbor on Salt Spring Island. This is in early October 2023. What do you guys think of this? What could this be? I'm curious. Leave your comments.
Is that a gun turret?
That's unbelievable. Thanks for the footage, Sonny. Cheers.